Hello, I'm Hosun. In this video, I will talk about the pencil drawing using convolutional neural networks. I will give a quick introduction about the development of pencil drawing, and then I will talk about the process of generating pencil drawing by using geometric model from newspaper. Then I have main goals for this video. It is explain the new method for this project. Okay. In 1999, Sosa proposed a human-computer interaction pencil drawing algorithm, but it requires a lot of manpower. In 2001, Moore used white noise image and vector field as input to perform line integral convolution operation, and obtained a relatively smooth image textual direction. In 2012, Lu proposed a method to simulate the artist's hand-drawing process and improved the traditional pencil drawing algorithm. In 2018, Wang proposed a method that combines L0 gradient minimization and L1 normal constraints to show the structure of image and maintain a high degree of consistency with the original image structure. But this method cannot get satisfactory results. The main disadvantage for this method is it does not take into account the colored pencil drawing. It has richer tone. The traditional pencil drawing algorithm uses a textual background image to simulate the effects of a pencil repeatedly drawing on the paper to produce texture, without taking into account the difference of texture in different areas of the image, and can only generate image of a fixed style. Let's talk about the process uh, for generating pencil drawing from loose paper. First, we calculate the gradient to detecting edge using this formula, and we convolution in 8 directions on the result edge map. After obtaining the convolution result in all directions, for each pixel, the response of the direction with the largest convolution value is set to G, and the response of other directions is set to 0. After that, we again perform directional convolution on the resulting response for each except use this formula. Now we can get the line drawing image. According to the observation and analysis of a large number of hand-drawn pencil image data, the distribution of histogram is very different from the image, but they all form a certain rule which can be expressed by a certain formula. Look at this picture. Therefore, we can set a fixed histogram and then map the image histogram to this histogram as a result. And when we get this result, we can use histogram matching to get the tone map. And then we need from pencil textual reading use pencil textual map and tone map. In short, we solve this equation. So we can get the pencil texture. In the end, we combine the pencil stroke and the tongue stroke by multiplying the stroke and textural values for each pixel, and we get the output. So let's talk about this project. This is the pipeline. The other operation is the same as those. The key point is create the pencil texture. In this part, I use the neural style algorithm and we import a pre-trained neural networks from ImageNet. We will use a 16-layer VGG network. It is VGG 16. Second, we implement the stylus function. It will act as a transparent layer in a network that computes the stylus of that layer. In order to calculate the stylus, we need to compute the gram matrix. A gram matrix is the result of multiplying a given metric by its transpose metric. In this application, the given metric is a reshaped version of the filter maps of a layer. As we know, style filters tend to be in the deeper layer of the network. So we choose several layers to get the style filter map. In order to get the better result, we use a dam optimizer and pass our image to it. For each iteration of the networks, it is feed an update input and compute the new loss. We will dynamically compute their gradient for each loss model. The optimizer revalues the model and returns the loss. After all the iteration, we can get the final style map for the pencil texture. We need to crop it to speed up to calculate the pencil map. After we get in the pencil texture, we can carry out the next operation. Create the pencil map and blend with stroke map to get the final result. This is the final result for this project. And I also use circle gun to generate the pencil drawing image, but the result is not good. Circle gun is another famous technique for image translation. One application of circle gun is image style transfer. And this is loose papers output, and this is product. We can clearly see that in the result of Lu and Strogan's result, the sky has split and is obvious overexposure. But in the Lu's result, it is more details than this project. I think the reason is use the different style of pencil texture. In this project, we implement an enhanced pencil drawing algorithm use convolutional neural networks. And we consider all aspects including the training time. We conclude that using neural style transform and geometric models outperforms the circle game method. This is the result. That's all. Thank you.